Kindness is the act or state of taking an interest in the welfare of others. In today's assembly, we'll specifically talk about kindness towards orphans.
The hunger for love is much more than the hunger for bread. Mother Teresa, as rightly said by Mother Teresa, indeed, orphan children seek the need to feel love.
Children have borne the harshest burden of the COVID-19 pandemic. Of course, COVID-19 was a huge pandemic, but do you know what's even worse? The hidden pandemic, orphanhood.
Sad to hear all of this. Children are God's gifts. Looking after and providing for them is our duty.
I hope today's class assembly entitled Act of Kindness Towards Orphans will help us all think deeper and leave a strong imprint on each of our hearts. I, Helena.
I, Sai Sumit.
And I, Ayushi,
are your hosts for this morning.
Let us first begin our assembly with the blessings of the Almighty who gave us these beautiful flowers, children, which make a bouquet.
One small positive thought can keep your entire day rejuvenated. I would like to call upon Rohan to share today's thought for the day.
Today's thought for the day is, those who are the happiest are those who do the most for the others. I repeat, those who are the happiest are those who do the most for the others. By Booker T. Washington. Thank you.
Thank you for that enlightening thought, Rohan. It is important to update ourselves with the happenings around the world. Now, I would like to call reporter Vritti for today's news headlines.
Hello everyone, this is your reporter Ritti and welcome to 16 News. Today's news headlines are international news. US vaccination drives
falls to one of its lowest point at Axis Soul. National news. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said with 42 new Indian startup, India is rapidly moving towards the 100 unicorn marks. Education news. School closures in view of COVID not justified, World Bank Education Director. Sports news. Kohli ends inning as India's most successful test keeper. Rahul and Rohit among the contenders to be the next captain. Thank you.
Riddhi, for today's news headlines. Is being an orphan a sin? A crime? How does it feel to see abandoned children?
We recently celebrated World War Orphans Day on the 6th of January. So let us call upon our dear friend Arush to speak a few lines about it.
A very good morning to everybody. My name is Arush Matre and I am here to speak about January 6th, the World Day of War Orphans. Every year on January 6th, the World Day of War Orphans is recognized. Because of the coronavirus pandemic, the day has taken even more relevance this year. Global disasters such as a pandemic are sure to have the greatest impact on orphan children. The World Day of Orphans 2022 reminds the world that caring for children in awful condition is a duty, particularly in the face of a pandemic. Children are architects of a better sustainable tomorrow. The World Day of Orphans is marked to draw attention to the condition of children who are orphaned as a result of war or any other conflict. To mark an honor to this day, children from class 6D put the best foot forward. Let's see the work done by students of our class. Many shared the digital posters on their social media handles to raise awareness of the day and urge their friends to repost or share it. Our dear friends Ananya and Sai Sumit visited the orphanage and gave their belongings to these children. We encourage all of you to support more such cases and help make the life of these children better. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Arush, for this information. There are many others who are doing their best to help such children. Let's find out in our segment, The Good Samaritans.
What is Samaritans? Did I just hear that?
You got it right.
What's that?
A charitable or helpful person is called a Samaritan. So let's hear it from Shyameshwari and Yusra about such good Samaritans.
Hello everyone, my name is Yusra and today I am going to be telling you about some people who have done good for the orphans. The first one, Akanksha Srivastava. Akanksha Srivastava helped many orphans and took them under the company's wing. One such case was Rahul. His mother passed away when he was a young child. And though he and his father had an amazing duo, his father too passed away due to COVID. Unfortunately, Rahul didn't know about his father because none of the neighbors could visit him or deliver the bad news as the second wave was at rise. So they called Akanksha Child Rescue and the company took care of Rahul and also followed the government procedures of COVID tests. The second one, a court appointed special advocate. A CASA spends time with the child, gets to know him, and speaks with everyone in the child's life, including foster parents, birth parents, relatives, teachers, social workers, attorneys, and medical professionals. Then they take what they have learned to the judge and make recommendations in the best interest of the child. Now I would like Shameshwari to continue.
7 Days of Nothing. 7 Days of Nothing is one of the most unique but effective ways of helping orphans. This program is a part of the global HAWC organization. The program goes like this. Participants give up one luxury every day, such as entertainment, desserts, and try to be as close to as possible to the lifestyle of many others. At the end of the week, the money they have saved is donated to the orphans and the needy. Even if the money isn't much, it can be life changing for the child, and not just for the orphan, but for the participant as well, realizing how much we take for granted. In the memory of the mother of orphans. Sindhutai Sapkal was a 20-year-old poor mother of a young child when she had nothing. She used to sing prayers in railway stations and got food to get by, but still she used to share it with others like her. In her words, I became their mother and they became my family. After a while, Sindhutai Sapkal created an orphanage and that same family helped her to do so. She is a mother to over 1,400 children and a grandmother to more than 1,000. For all her kind acts, she won a Padma Shri in 2021. Sadly, she passed away on the 4th of January this year.
Thank you, Shyameshwari and Yusra. There are so many people doing their best.
This encourages me to do my best to others.
Well. And now it's the time for the most awaited show of the morning. Everyone, please enjoy the skit performed by few of our classmates.
Hey guys.
Hi.
Hi Jake.
What's up?
As you know, my birthday is coming up. I decided to celebrate it somewhere out rather than doing it at my home.
So, where are we celebrating?
I was thinking of an orphanage.
That's a right idea.
What? But why?
Why not? Wouldn't it be fun? What do you guys think?
Well, on humanity grounds, we can. Just think about it, Drake. Birthdays just comes once a year, so why not make the best of it?
Exactly what I meant to say.
But this can also mean the best. We can make some new friends at the orphanage.
Equally waiting for my best friend's birthday, and I wanted to celebrate your birthday with our friends.
I agree, Jake, but we could also have a lot of fun with them too. Besides, we hang out with each other almost every day, so why not widen out?
Okay, if you insist.
Jake says we can follow our friends to the orphanage.
But why do you want to celebrate it at the orphanage?
Because I always used to think, don't they feel lonely every day?
Hey boys!
Hey mom.
Hello, Auntie.
Auntie?
Sorry, Mrs. Cooper.
Yes, Mrs. Lake Cooper. So Jake, I'm running late for work and I was thinking that you could keep the house clean by the time I come. And if you do it, I'll get your favorite chips.
Sure mom, of course.
Good you. Bye boys!
Hi mom.
So now let's do some arrangements for my birthday.
Jake and Drake go to the orphanage.
Guys, I'm Jake.
And I am Drake. This is Aaron and this is Justin.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
So guys, today is Drake's birthday. So let's celebrate his birthday.
Happy birthday, Drake. Thank you all. What are your names?
My name is Lucy. I'm Jack.
My name is Adam.
Hello. Friends, we have brought many gifts for you all. I am allowed to call you friends, right?
Sure. Here is for you, Lucy.
Stacy, this is for you.
This one is for you, Adam.
Dad, this is for you.
OMG! How did you know that I really needed a new school dress?
I've got my contacts.
What? Adam, look! There's the football for which I was saying for months. How did you guys know?
Look, I got the same thing. This is awesome.
Yes, I got my favorite doll.
Thanks, Jake and Drake. Seriously, come on, guys. How did you know that we really needed these things?
So we contacted a nun from this orphanage who took care of the Thanksgiving gift distribution. I asked her if I can get a list of wishes what you guys need.
Oh, that's actually smart.
Thanks. Now let's cut the cake.
Jake is about to smash the cake on Drake's head.
Here you go, Drake.
Hey, stop, don't do that.
It is not a good thing to mess around with. It's food. Please value. Besides, we could all enjoy it together.
Sorry, I should have thought about it.
Well, this is what we learned from you guys today. All Jake meant was to have some fun. However, we promise on not wasting food like that.
That's okay. We are all friends here, right? And in fact, I'm sure that all of us are so grateful to all of you for visiting someone like us on one of the most important days of your life.
Hey, don't say that.
Very kind, Jake, but that's how it is. Usually people celebrate birthdays lavishly, call friends over and have a great time. But you guys really took time out to make us all happy.
It's not just you all who are happy, but we are happier. In fact, there is more happiness in giving than there is in receiving.
Thanks, guys, for all of this. Please visit us again.
Robin, I promise to come around next week and we play some fun games together.
This was indeed my best birthday.
Wow, that was terrific. This is a lesson I will take back home for sure.
Indeed. I also never thought about celebrating birthdays at the orphanage. I'm sure gonna make some time to visit them often. Did you know that many celebrities were orphans too?
Really? Wow! Impeccable. But wait, what's your point here?
Let's play a game to see if our amazing audience can recognize some of them.
That's really cool, so let's start.
Wait.
What?
We can't do all the work, right? So let's call upon Divya and Ananya to host the game.
Hello, I am Divya.
And I am Ananya.
And we are going to be hosting this quiz.
Before we start, let me tell you the rules. There will be 5 questions.
You need to guess the celebrity with their face blurred.
And if you know the answer, then kindly raise your hand.
Let's start with the first question. Question 1. So can you guess which celebrity is this? Let me give you a hint. I was an American business magnate, industrial designer, investor and media proprietor. So can you guess who am I? Akshit Ranjan, you have raised your hand. Can you answer?
It's Steve Jobs.
Yes, your answer was absolutely correct. It's Steve Jobs.
Wow. Now, can you guess this celebrity? Your hint is a South African revolutionist, political leader and served as the first president of South Africa from 1994 to 1999. Who am I? Mm, uh, yes, Rutvij, can you answer?
Nelson Mandela.
Wow, your answer is absolutely correct.
Let's move on to question 3. So, can you guess which celebrity is this? And here's your hint. I was an American actress, model, and singer, famous for playing the comedic blonde bombshell. So, can you guess who am I? Okay. Kashmi, you have raised your hand. So, do you know the answer?
No, I raised my hand for the previous one.
Okay. Kritika, you have also raised your hand. Do you know the answer?
Marilyn Monroe is the answer.
Yes, your answer is absolutely correct. It's Marilyn Monroe.
Wow, impressive. Let's move on to the question number 4. Now, can you guess the celebrity? And your hint is I was known as the first superstar, film producer, and a politician. Who am I? Yes, Himank, do you know the answer? No? Okay. Yes, Amol?
It must be Rajesh Khanna.
Yes, your answer is totally correct. It's Rajesh Khanna.
Let's move on to the last and the final question of this quiz. Question 5. So, can you guess which celebrity is this? And here's your hint. I am best known for being the longest running First Lady of the United States. I served from March of 1933 to April of 1945. So, can you guess who am I? Aditi, do you know the answer?
Yes, the answer is Queen Elizabeth.
Sorry, that's not the correct answer. Pat, do you know the answer?
Queen Elizabeth.
No. The answer is Eleanor Roosevelt.
Your answers were indeed awesome.
Thank you.
That was remarkable. Thank you, Divya and Ananya.
Let's have some entertainment. I would like to call upon Dwitch to show us some Rubik's tricks.
Hello, and today I'm going to solve this Rubik's Cube in the 1 minute 30 seconds. As you can see it, it's completely scrambled.
Wow, Dwaj, you have completed solving the Rubik's Cube in only 1 minute 6 seconds.
Now I'm going to show you some cool Rubik's Cube patterns. This is one of the most famous patterns. This is called the chessboard. This pattern is called the cube in the cube. As you can see, there's a 2x2 cube inside the 3x3 cube.
Amazing, Dwaj.
This pattern is called the snake. There's an infinite snake in this cube.
Wow.
It is amazing.
Now I'm going to make an Indian flag with this cube. Thank you.
Wow, it was splendid. Thank you, Dwaj.
We are coming to the end of this digital assembly. Let's call our dear friend Ahar for the vote of thanks.
I'd like to express my heartfelt gratitude to our principal Seema Sani ma'am, to our secondary vice principal Annie ma'am, secondary supervisor Savita ma'am, and all our dear class teachers for giving us this opportunity to conduct our digital assembly. We would also like to express our heartfelt gratitude to our class teacher Ria Miss for all her support and guidance in making this digital assembly a grand success. Today's digital assembly has surely enlightened our minds and shown us a new path. Lastly, I would like to thanks to all my dear friends for taking out time and attending our digital assembly. Thank you.
Thank you, Ahan. Now, let's all stand up for the national anthem played by our dear friend Peher.
Very good, children. You all did really
Congratulations, Riya. It's very nice. 6D, keep it up. Very good.
Riya, miss, one small part was left, no? That
Yes, Miss
Shyameshwari's
Shameshwari's part.
Let her give her chance, no, if she is ready with the things. Because
Miss,
actually they have